Psychokinesis video. Today we're talking about Aerokinesis. What is Aerokinesis? Aerokinesis is the power over the air. You can bend the air. You can control it. You can push it away or bring it closer. You can make it circle around you or stand still. All these abilities are called Aerokinesis. And what I just did was pushing the air out of the window. The window itself is closed, I can show you. Closed window. I hope you can see that. So, what I was doing is using the air inside the room and pushing it against the window. Why did I pick the window? Very easy. The curtain shows Aerokinesis very well. You, on the other side of this screen, on the other side of this camera, it's very hard for you to understand what Aerokinesis looks like because Aerokinesis is airbending and you can't see air because it's invisible, it's transparent. So to make it visible, you have to push an object with air. And the easiest way to show it is having a curtain or paper, a side wheel, something like that. That's why I decided to do Aerokinesis against this curtain. How do you do this? You have to connect to the air around you and to the air inside of you. You breathe, and because you're breathing, you have already a connection to the air. For many people, Aerokinesis is way easier than Telekinesis or Pyrokinesis because they're way more connected to the air. And then you have really two options what you're gonna do. Either you're gonna build the emotional connection to the air, build the love to the air, and with this love you can bend the air. Or you suppress your emotions and try to imagine the air swinging around you, and then that way you can start to control it. Which method you're gonna do is up to you. I personally try to learn both. I'm practicing both, not at the same time. But today, I was doing the first method I mentioned. I tried to, the second method, that I suppress my emotions and I only try to imagine how the air is bending and flying around on me. With imagination, I pictured in front of my third eye, and then it's actually happening. That way I see the air like particles around me, then I can move it with my mind. And so can you. Just believe in yourself. Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. If you think you can, you can. I believe in you. I believe in you. Okay, that's it for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And if you're too embarrassed to ask, you can send me an email. In the description of this video or any video, you can find my email address. And every time I'm at work and I have a computer available, I can answer those emails. Okay? You can find the link in the description, very low in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.